Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the One Step Tulip Tie-Dye Kit. First of all, I want to tell you that I've used this kit multiple times and I'd recommend it for tie-dyeing. I would not recommend it for ice dyeing. But if you're new to tie-dyeing and you want a simple kit, this is a great starter kit. The reasons it's so great is it comes with everything you need and it's just one step. It's really great also for working with kids. If you're looking for another tie-dye kit that's a little bit more involved, I'd recommend this kit. This is the tie-dye kit by Jacquard and it's very vibrant colors and it comes with soda ash. So this one dyes up to 5 t-shirts. This one dyes up to 36 projects, which I don't know if that means t-shirts or whatever, but anyway, I've gotten multiple projects out of this tulip kit before. But this kit has soda ash, so it's another step. If you want to just do one step, then I would do the tulip kit. I've been thinking about doing another video reviewing all of the kits that I've tried. Let me know down in the comments if you'd like that video. I have thoughts. So let's open this tulip kit. All right, so first of all, it comes with 122 pieces, which is a lot. And it comes with a whole like Roy G. Biv color gamut, including black. Let's open it up. America's favorite tie-dye. It comes with multiple bundles of rubber bands, which are great. These are kind of thinner rubber bands. And then it comes with a drop cloth, which is really nice and thick. This drop cloth is really nice. I've used my other drop cloth from this kit for many projects, so you can reuse this drop cloth. It comes with some gloves, which I'm not a big fan of these gloves. They're kind of crunchy and hard to like really maneuver, but you know, they work fine. But if you have some like other gloves that are more malleable, they're probably better. And then it comes with all of these little bottles that you just add water. So the fixative is inside of the dye already. And like I said, these give pretty good colors. It's not the most vibrant that I've seen. If you want to get super vibrant colors, again, I'd recommend this kit or going to Dharma Trading. But again, this kit's great with kids, or if you just want to quickly get into tie-dye, you're brand new, you don't want to invest in all this stuff, I totally get it. This one's really easy to find and very affordable. Another thing that's kind of nice about this kit is it comes with so many bottles in all these different colors, and I actually reuse these bottles all the time for other projects. So you can keep these bottles and save them and use them for other projects. So that concludes the unboxing, and I'll put the link for this kit down in the description box for you guys. Let me know if you've used tulip tie-dyes and what you thought, or what your favorite tie-dye kit is. I'm totally all ears. Anyway, until next time, have fun. Bye.